Hello guys, so this is your gwapong teacher Hever Samson, and yun. So for this video, I will be teaching you how to solve for the derivative of an algebraic expression or algebraic equation. So let's proceed. The derivatives of algebraic polynomials. So we are going to discuss on how to solve the derivatives of a polynomials using the delta method. So we are going to use the delta method. So ang symbol for delta is a triangle. And remember that delta means change. So we have four steps. The first step is in the given equation, we have to replace x with x plus delta x and y with y plus delta y. And then we have to simplify it. Diba? Sobrang basic. Sabi dyan, palitan nyo daw yung x ng x plus delta x and then yung y ng y plus delta y. After that, you have to simplify. After this, you have to, for the step 2, you have to find delta y by subtracting the given equation from the equation obtained in step 1. And then we have to simplify it again. So, sa step 2, ang sinasabi dito, after nating mapalitan lahat ng x plus delta x, lahat ng y plus delta y, we have to solve for the value of the delta y. How? We have to subtract the given equation from the equation obtained in step 1. So kung ano yung bago nating equation, magsusubtract tayo. We will be using the given equation na ipapang subtract sa obtained equation natin, sa equation obtained in step 1 natin. And after that, you have to simplify. For the step 3, we have to divide both sides of the equation obtained in step 2 by delta x. And then simplify. O, simple lang, di ba? After ng step 2, ang gawin nyo, i-divide yung both sides ng delta x. And then after that, we have to simplify. And for step 4, we have to find the limit as delta x approaches 0. We have to find the limit. So, after nating ma-divide both sides, and then after we simplified the equation, we have to find the limit as delta x approaches 0. Somehow complicated, but let's see kung gaano siya simple. So let's have example number 1. Y is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 4. Y is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 4. So, again, ano yung mga gagawin natin? So, for step 1, we have to change yung y natin. Yung y gagawin natin y plus delta y. And lahat ng x gawing x plus delta x. So, instead na x squared yan, magiging x plus delta x squared minus 3 times x plus delta x plus 4. After this, we have to simplify. How are we going to simplify? Of course, by expanding itong mga to. So we have x plus delta x squared and we have negative 3 times the quantity x plus delta x. So continue natin, y plus delta y is equal to, so to simplify x plus delta x squared using the binomial theorem or the BasCal's triangle, we know that this is equal to x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus distributive property 3x plus 3 delta x plus 4. Wait, minus dito. Since we distributed negative 3, so negative 3x and then minus 3 delta x. So, dito, we have 2x delta x. So, remember that x and delta x ay magkaibang variable. Hindi natin pwedeng gawing delta x squared dahil x tapos x, di ba? Hindi ganon. So, after this, after we simplify the equation, we have to subtract yung obtained equation sa given equation. For step 2, kopyahin nyo yung y plus delta y, and then we have to subtract yung ito, minus y, equals, kopyahin to, x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 3x minus 3 delta x plus 4 minus ito ang buong yan. So we have minus x squared minus 3x plus 4. So y minus y is equal to 0. So mawawala na yan. So dito is delta y na lang. Delta y is equal to x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 3x minus 3 delta x plus 4 minus, so remember this when we are subtracting a polynomial, make sure to to group it using a parenthesis. Kailangan natin siyang ilagay as a group, hindi yung minus x squared minus 3x plus 4, hindi ganon. Dapat we have to put a parenthesis to show na we are subtracting yung buong polynomial na yon dun sa isang group. And kasi kapag hindi natin ginawa to, magkakamali tayo. Why? Kasi from here, we have to distribute itong negatives to all the terms. So negative times x squared is equal to negative x squared. Negative times negative 3x is equal to positive 3x. Negative times positive 4 is equal to negative 4. Di ba? Nagbago yung mga sign. Pero kung wala yung parenthesis na yan, malilito na kayo, magkakamali na kayo. So now, let's simplify. So we have delta y is equal to, so we have x squared minus x squared, so 0 yan. Negative 3x plus 3x is also 0. And we have positive 4 and negative 4, which is also equal to 0. So ang natira na lang ay 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 3 delta x. So ito na yung step 2 natin. So for step 3, we are going to divide both sides by delta x. Step 3, so we have delta y over delta x is equal to 2x delta x plus delta x squared minus 3 delta x all over delta x. So how are we going to divide this? Itong nasa right side of the equation. So as you can see, all the terms dito ay meron tayong makikitang delta x. So lagyan natin ng circle para makita ninyo. So we have delta x, we have another delta x, and then we have another delta x. So yung mga delta x na yan, we are going to factor it out para uh, divide natin. So let's see. Let's continue. Step 3 pa rin to. So we have delta y over delta x is equal to, so dito nakikita nyo, all the terms ay merong delta x. So i-factor out natin yan. Pag pinactor out natin siya, pag nilabasan natin siya, we have to divide all the terms by delta x. So gawin na natin dito para di kayo malito. So ang mangyayari rito, i-divide natin yan. Ilalabas natin si delta x, and then 2x delta x divided by delta x is 2x na lang, plus delta x squared divided by delta x is delta x na lang. 3 delta x divided by delta x is equal to negative 3 all over delta x. So now, ito na lang yung nasa right side natin. So yan yung yan yung isusulat natin dito. So we have delta x times 2x plus delta x minus 3 all over delta x. And as you can see, both the numerator and the denominator ay merong delta x. So we can cancel it out para wala na. Kasi delta x over delta x is equal to 1. So now, we have delta y over delta x is equal to 2x plus delta x minus 3. So now we are going to find the limit of this expression. So we have delta y over delta x is equal to the limit of 2x plus delta x minus 3 as the delta x approaches 0. So now we have delta y over delta x is equal to 2x plus 0 minus 3. And then the derivative now is delta y over delta x is equal to 2x minus 3. Therefore, the derivative of the given equation is equal to 2x minus 3. So just a little reminder, and baka mamaya kasi malito kayo. So delta y over delta x can be written or is also equal to dy over dx, or also equal to y prime. So yung mga yan pare-pareho yan. Delta y over delta x is also equal to dy over dx, and also is equal to y prime. So yun lang. Naintindihan ba? Very good. So let's have another example. Example number 2. Ay, yung iba na lang. Fraction naman muna. Ayan. Example number 4. Let's solve this. So the step 1 is to substitute y with y plus delta y, and substitute x with x plus delta x. So we have y plus delta y is equal to 2 over x plus delta x plus 5. So this is the first step. So now the second step is to subtract all both the is to subtract both the sides of the equation from the with the given equation. So we have y plus delta y minus y. Sa nanggaling tong y, ito i-minus natin yan. Is equal to 2 over x plus delta x plus 5 minus 2 over x plus 5. So we subtracted this. So now y and the negative y. So therefore we have delta y is equal to 2. Wait. So the LCD, since magkaiba sila, the LCD would be x plus delta x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. So the LCD divided by x plus delta x plus 5 is equal to x plus 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 times x plus 5 minus the LCD divided by x plus 5 is equal to x plus delta x plus 5 divided by 2 is equal to 2 times x plus delta x plus 5. So we're not yet done pagdating sa pagsisimplify niyan. So we now have delta y is equal to 2x plus 10. So distributive property, ito, pakita ko lang. So si 2, minultiply natin kay x, so naging 2x. So we have this 2x. And si 2, minultiply kay positive 5, naging 10. So we have this 10. Now let's proceed. And then minus 2 divided by x is equal to negative 2x. So we have minus 2x. 2 divided by delta x is equal to negative 2 delta x. And then negative 2 divided by 5 is equal to negative 10. All over, we have x plus delta x plus 5 times x plus 5. So now, let's simplify. So we have 2x and then minus 2x, and then we have 10 and negative 10. So now we have delta y is equal to negative 2 delta x all over x plus delta x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. So, ano yung next na gagawin natin? Next is to divide both sides by delta x. So, i-divide natin both sides by delta x, divide by delta x, divide by delta x. So, ano mangyayari dyan? So, magiging delta y over delta x is equal to, so, we have negative 2 delta x, and then si delta x, i-multiply natin dito sa x plus delta x plus 5 times the quantity x plus 5. Therefore, we have delta x times x plus delta x plus 5 times x plus 5. So, cancel si delta x, cancel si delta x. So, we now have delta y over delta x is equal to negative 2 all over x plus delta x plus 5 times x plus 5. So, let's continue. So now we have delta y over delta x is equal to negative 2 all over negative 2 over x plus delta x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. So the next thing is to solve for the limit of this as delta x approaches 0. So now we have delta y over delta x is equal to the limit of negative 2 all over negative 2 over x plus delta x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 5 as delta x approaches 0. So we have dy over dx is equal to negative 2 over x plus 0 plus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. So we have dy over dx is equal to negative 2 multiplied by over x plus 5 times x plus 5, or this is simply negative 2 over x plus 5 squared. So, ito na yung derivative ng given equation natin kanina. So, the derivative is equal to negative 2 over the quantity x plus 5 squared, or we can simplify yung x plus 5 squared magiging negative 2 over x squared plus 10x plus 25. So, pareho lang yan. The thing is that, ito kasing nasa una is in simplest form lang siya. Yung sa pangalawa is we expanded yung x plus 5 squared. So, ganun lang kadali yung delta method. So, again, let's just have a simple recap before we end our discussion. So, in solving the derivative of a polynomial, we have to remember 4 steps. 4 steps na yung susundin natin to solve for the derivative of the given polynomial. So the first one is to change x with x plus delta x, and then yung y palitan din ng y plus delta y, and then we have to simplify. After that, the second step is to subtract the obtained equation with the given equation. Isusubtract natin yung na-obtain natin doon sa ang iba pang subtract natin is yung given equation. And then we have to simplify. For the step number 3, we have to divide both sides. I-divide natin both sides ng delta x. And then, after we divide both sides by delta x, we have to simplify. After that, we have to solve for the limit of the given of the of the solved uh, function as delta x approaches 0. So, isosolve na natin yung limit nung equation as the delta x approaches 0. Remember the first steps and surely you will easily solve the derivative of a given function using the delta method. Ganun lang kadali yun. So, may mga tanong ba? May mga katanungan ba kayo patungkol dito sa ating pinag-aralan ngayon? So, if you have questions, don't forget to i-comment nyo lang para masagot ko sa susunod na videos. And that's it for this video. I hope you learned how to solve the derivative using the delta method. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye!